Hey, what's up, guys? Rob Shoecraft here with Storm Fitness, and I just made a crock pot meal last night, and I want to talk about this particular meal. I'm about to put it away, put it in the fridge for the day, and thought I'd talk about it. I've said that twice now. This meal is called the College Boy. I got it from Bodybuilding.com. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, and this isn't necessarily a cheap plug for that, but that's mainly where I've been talking about it. I've been I've been tracking my macros meticulously using Avatar Nutrition and MyFitnessPal, and I've been trying to gain mass as lean as possible, and as clean as possible rather, and then I plan to do sometime in January probably. I'm planning to lean out, to do a cut, if you will. Anyways, so I've been steadily increasing my calories. I'm up to about 5,100 a day right now. So, as you know, or you might not know, food prep is everything. And the crock pot for me is where it's at. It's so nice to just be able to throw a bunch of crap into the crock pot. It takes like 5 minutes preparation. And then, you know, you input the recipe in MyFitnessPal and you're basically done for the day. All you got to do is choose, you know, I got a College Boy and MyFitnessPal, and it's there. I know it's got like 47 grams of carbohydrates, 62 grams of protein, and 20 grams of fat. And what it is, I'll finally get to it. What it is I just buy a big 3-pound bag of frozen chicken at Aldi, and I just throw it in there frozen. I know you're probably not supposed to do that. I don't care. Throw the whole 3-pound bag in there just as is. 2 cans of black beans, dump them in there. 2 cans of corn, dump them in there. A jar of salsa. You let it sit overnight, anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Basically, just right before I go to bed, I throw that crap in there. Put it on low. Let it cook. When I get up in the morning, open a block of cream cheese, throw that in there, let that melt for about 30 minutes, and then it's good to go. So what I do, I know you watch like a lot of bodybuilders and stuff, and they throw all their stuff in like individual containers and everything, so they know exactly what they're eating, and that's great. That's a great way to do it. I'm a little too lazy to do that all the time, so what I end up doing is I just make a huge batch. So this is 6 servings, and that's how I've set it up in MyFitnessPal. So this is for today, and this is for tomorrow. So I know that if I eat this whole thing, I don't have to measure it. I do measure my food for some things, but for this I don't have to. Because I know that if I eat this whole thing today, then that's 3 servings. So I'll just basically count in MyFitnessPal how many times I ate it, and as long as I ate it 3 times, I know I got everything I planned for. I know a lot of times I just eat it over rice. Sometimes I just eat it by itself. But basically what I do is just go 1 scoop, 2 scoop, right? And it might not be exact, but I know over the course of 2 days at least it is going to be exact as far as what the macros are. So this meal is fantastic because I think it's about $10 to make the entire thing. You just can't beat that as far as what it has in it, as far as the ease of convenience. I will admit I'm a little sick of eating it. I've eaten it for the last 10 weeks, at least twice a week, and I'll eat it for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a bunch of stuff in between. So yeah, it's kind of growing a little old, but whatever. It's not about the flavor. It's about the gains, right? All right, guys. If you got any questions about this is my favorite crock pot recipe. If you got one, there's some other ones I've been using, but this one is my staple just because, like I said, of the value and the ease. If you got any other crock pot recipes, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Sorry, I'm still waking up. Fortunately, coffee, I can drink as much of that as I want. All right, Rob Shoecraft, Storm Fitness. Subscribe to this channel. You guys have a great day.